What fuels Norway's passion for cabin living? Welcome to Home FAQs, your ultimate destination for all things home-related. Dive into a captivating exploration of why Norwegians are captivated by cabin culture. Unlock insights on home decor, design, and the unique allure of Norwegian cabins. The allure of cabin culture in Norway. Norway, with its stunning landscapes and picturesque fjords, has a unique and enduring love affair with cabin culture. The fascination goes beyond a mere preference for rustic getaways, it's deeply ingrained in the Norwegian way of life. Let's unravel the reasons behind this obsession and understand how cabins have become an integral part of Norwegian culture. Embracing nature. Norwegians have a profound connection with nature, and their cabins serve as gateways to the great outdoors. Surrounded by forests, mountains, and lakes, these cabins provide an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The simplicity and tranquility of nature are cherished, offering a retreat for relaxation and contemplation. Escaping urban stress. In a society that values work-life balance, cabins represent a sanctuary away from urban stress. Norwegians view cabin retreats as an opportunity to unwind, recharge, and spend quality time with family and friends. The peaceful ambience of the countryside allows them to disconnect from technology and embrace a slower pace of life. Cultural tradition. The tradition of cabin living is deeply rooted in Norwegian history. Initially, cabins were essential for survival, providing shelter during hunting and fishing expeditions. Over time, this evolved into a cultural tradition, with many families passing down cabins through generations. The emotional ties to these cabins foster a sense of continuity and heritage. Architectural harmony. Norwegian cabins are not just shelters, they are architectural gems that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. The design often incorporates wood and other local materials, creating structures that harmonize with the landscape. Large windows frame breathtaking views, allowing inhabitants to connect with nature even while indoors. Year-round appeal. While some may associate cabins with summer retreats, Norwegians embrace cabin culture year-round. Winter brings opportunities for skiing, snowmobiling, and cozying up by the fireplace. The versatility of cabins makes them a haven for various activities, ensuring they remain relevant and cherished throughout the seasons. Social gathering spaces. Cabins serve as social hubs, bringing people together for shared experiences. Whether it's a family gathering, a celebration, or a weekend with friends, cabins offer a communal space where bonds are strengthened. The absence of modern distractions fosters meaningful interactions and creates lasting memories. Connection to traditions. Norwegians value their cultural heritage, and cabins provide a connection to traditional ways of living. From the architecture to the activities undertaken at the cabin, there's a conscious effort to preserve and celebrate Norwegian traditions. This connection enhances the cultural significance of cabin culture. In conclusion, the Norwegian obsession with cabin culture is a multifaceted phenomenon deeply rooted in a love for nature, a desire for escape, and a strong connection to tradition. The allure of cabin living lies in its ability to offer a harmonious blend of architectural beauty, cultural heritage, and a respite from the demands of modern life. As you explore the enchanting world of cabin culture, remember that Home FAQs is here to guide you through all your home-related inquiries. Subscribe for free consultations, DIY hacks, and stay ahead with the latest trends in home improvement and building. Your dream home journey begins here. Hit like, subscribe, and transform your space. Discover AI-driven content and expert advice from our AI-generated avatar.